Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Here in this video I will show you the 11 tips to design a stair in a building. Okay, so let's start our video. The first point is the minimum height of the riser should be 6 inch and maximum should be how much? 8 inch guys. Okay, so what is riser? Riser is the vertical distance from one stair to another stair. Okay, this is our riser. This is height of the riser and it should be how much? 6 inch to 8 inch. Okay, the point number second is the minimum length of thread should be 250 mm to 300 mm. Okay, but what is thread is the horizontal distance of the steps. Okay, we put steps on this thread. Okay, so its width, its length should be how much? 250 mm to 300 mm. Okay, so in inch if we tell, then it will be 10 inch to 12 inch. Okay, so if we have symbol like 2 apostrophe, then this will be inch, and if we have single apostrophe, then this is our feet. Okay, so here this is 2 apostrophe, so the thread should be how much? 10 inch to 12 inch guys. Okay, now next point, our third point is the standard width of any stairs varies from 1.1 meter to 1.6 meter. Okay, it depends on the types of the building. Okay, so for residential building we put the length of stairs, the width of these stairs should be how much? 1 meter to 1.5 meter. Okay, but in cinemas, in shopping center, in hospital, we have to put this length of steps, for example 2 meter or 3 meter, more than 1.5 meter. Okay, so it depends on the building. Now fourth point is the handrails height should be at least 1 meter. What is handrails? Handrails is this, you can see in this picture, this is our handrails, and it should be how much? 1 meter from the stair. Okay, its height should be 1 meter from the stairs for safety factor. Okay, now point number 5 is our the generally the maximum number of riser or steps in the flight should be how much? 12. Okay, so steps is 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, like this, and this should not be more than 12 in numbers in one flight. Okay guys, what is flight? For example, this is our first landing and this is our second landing, then when we go from one landing to another landing, then this is known as one flight. Okay, for example, if this is our stair from here to here and another stair is from here to there. Okay, so this will be our first flight and this will be our second flight. Okay, so there should not be more than 12 steps, one step, two step, up to 12 steps in one single flight. After that, point number 6 is handrail height should be minimum 1 meter. Okay, now point number 7 is the minimum grade of concrete used to construct should be how much? M20 grade of concrete to construct a stair. Okay, what is M20? M20 is a mixture of 1 is to 1.5 is to 2 as a mixture of cement, sand and aggregate. Okay, so this 1 is our cement, this 1.5 is our sand and 2 is our aggregate. So we should not provide the low grade concrete in this staircase. Okay, so point number 8 is width of the landing slab should be at least 1000 mm for the staircase. Okay, so this landing, this is our width of the landing, this width of landing should not be less than how much? 1000 mm, it means 1 meter. Okay, now point number 9 is the minimum thickness of waist of the staircase should be 6 inch. You can see in this picture this width here, you can see this is the width of the waist. Okay, this is known as waist, so its thickness should be how much? 6 inch. Minimum it should be 6 inch as a thickness of this waist. Okay, now point number 10 is our the minimum vertical space or headrooms above any step or a stair should be 2 meter. You can see in this picture, and from here to here, this is known as what? Headrooms. Okay, so this should not be less than 2 meter, because it may stock the head of this man may collapse on the slab. Okay, so we should provide how much? 2 meter as a headrooms. Now point number 11 and last point is our the slope of stairs should be minimum 25 degree and maximum should be 40 degree. Okay guys, for safety factor and for efficient moving on the staircase, we have to provide how much? 25 degree. The slope of stair should be between 25 degree to 40 degree. Okay, so this is our horizontal land and this is the stair. So this angle should not be less than 25 degree and more than 40 degree. Okay, so it is recommended that we should provide 30 degree or 35 degree as a angle between the horizontal and the staircase. Okay, so these are the most important points to design a staircase in a building. Okay guys, so this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.